In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users and teams in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to set up teams for cleaner organization, add new users, and assign the right seat so everyone has the access they need. Make sure you're logged in with admin permissions, since you'll be working in account settings. From your HubSpot home screen, head to the gear icon to open settings. In the left sidebar, go to Account Management and select Users and Teams. This is your control center for structuring your organization and controlling who can do what. If you're just getting started, it's smart to set up teams first, so you can place users into the right group as you add them. Open the Teams tab, then choose Create Team. Give your team a clear, consistent name that matches how your company works. Think sales, marketing, support, or regional and segment-based names. Good naming conventions make reporting and permissions much easier later. Next, add the members who belong to this team. Take a moment to double-check you're choosing the correct people. Keeping teams accurate improves routing, visibility, and dashboards. If your organization uses a hierarchy of teams, keep that in mind as you name and group, but don't overcomplicate it. Start simple and refine over time. When you're satisfied, click Save to create the team. Now let's add a user. Switch to the Users tab. Here you can manage existing users, add new ones, or import in bulk if you have many to bring over. Click Add Users, then choose Create New. Enter the person's work email address. It's important to use the correct company domain and spelling, so the invite gets delivered successfully. This prevents bounced or pending invitations. Click Next to continue. You'll be asked to select a seat assignment. Seats determine what the user can access and may consume a paid license, depending on your subscription. Choose the option that matches their role. For this walkthrough, select Developer Seat as an example. If you're unsure which seat is appropriate, check your team's needs and your available seats before proceeding. Click Next, review your choices, and then click Create User to send the invitation. Finally, click Done to wrap up. That's it. You've created a team, added the right people, and invited a new user with the proper seat. As a best practice, review team membership and seats periodically to keep your account clean and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.